Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to access applications permissions to our location in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. First, we have to go to our settings here. Then we're looking for security and privacy options. And here we have our permission manager. So we tap it here, and here we have all the permissions we're looking for. Location. As of now, 4 applications out of 14 installed are permitted to see our location. As you can see, Google all the time and allowed while the application is in use, a few others. We can add more, for example, allow while using the app, ask every time, and let's back out. And our added application is here. To remove the permission, we just don't allow, and now the application won't ever ask us for permission to see our location. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.